everybody! Welcome back on my channel. Pinay here from Rose Vlogs TV, and for today's video, sabi ko nga, I will do a Daiso full makeup. So ito na yon. I've been wanting to do this kind of video before. So if you haven't watched my Daiso haul, I'm going to link that below, and you can just click it here. Here or here? I don't know, but I'm going to put a card over here just so you can click it. So today I am going to do a full-on makeup using Daiso, and I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel first and like the video after you watch it. Thank you so much, and without further ado, let's get into the video. I'll tie my hair since we need to do a makeup today. So I have here the UV Gel Watery Gel Cream from Daiso. So I saw this primer in Daiso. So sabi ko kailangan natin mag-prep ng skin. So I just got this one. This is UV Gel Watery Gel Cream SPF 50. So we're going to try. It smells like a glue. I thought it is a glue. It smells like a glue and it's freaking bad. So for our foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. So I didn't get a foundation from Daiso because I can't find one. So I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use this for our foundation today. I'm so sorry I can't find anything, any foundation in Daiso. So we're going to use this one. Oh, I forgot! I'm going to use this sponge to blend our foundation. I forgot that I have this one on my paper bag, but right now we're going to blend our foundation using this. This one from Daiso ulit, because this is a Daiso full makeup. So we're just going to open this one. Nahulog. So ito, may brush siya. Then meron siyang brow products. So this is a retractable brow pencil, brow liner. Yeah. So we're going to apply it all over our kilay. So since I didn't get any concealer, I can't find any concealer, I got this one from Daiso. So we're going to put this all over our under eye, just to conceal those black we're going to conceal, and we're going to prep our lid with this. For our eyeshadow, I got this eyeshadow palette. This is a 4 eyeshadow palette, and I chose this because it has a lot of browns on it, so I can really use this not just here in this video but also on other stuff that I'm going to do. First, we are going to use this shade, this light brown shade, this champagne light brown shade. And we're going to focus it all over our lid. So we're going to apply it all over our lid. For our outer corner, sorry about my lighting, this sun is killing me. So For our outer corner, we are going to use this dark brown shade. We're just going to focus it on the outer corner, going to the crease. Just going to do a circular motion. We are going to use this dark eyeshadow, and mainly we are going to focus it on the outer corner. We're not going to drag it all over our crease because it's really dark. We wanted to focus it on the corner just to give that and it's not pigmented. Oh my god. It's not pigmented. It's not working. Oh my god. So because it's not working, we are going to use this dark shade again. And we are going to pack some of it all over here. For our lash line, we are going to use this shade, this dark shade. We're going to try if it's going to work, but let's hope for the best. So it's working. So I already finished putting an eyeliner. I don't know if it looks pantay, but I don't care. I don't care because I can't really pantay my eyeliner. So this is the eyeliner that I use from Daiso. So this is the Espolier color eyeliner. So the mascara that I'm going to use is from, of course, Daiso. So this is the Espolier mascara. For the bronzer, because I can't find any bronzer, I'm going to use this eyeshadow as well. I'm going to use this one. Actually, it's not pigmented, but it can also work if you just blend it up and just blend it and blend it until it's working. So I'm using this brush from Forever 21. And for our blush, we have here this shade and this shade. So I bought two because I really love this shade. It has a peach cool tone on it, and this one is pink. So I'm just going to just put something. So for our highlighter, because I can't find a real highlighter, I'm going to use this shadow. And for our inner corner, I'm going to use this eyeshadow and this one. for our lipstick, I'm going to use this one. I can't find any bullet lipsticks or liquid lipstick on Daiso. So I have here my Espolure lip gloss. So we're going to try if it's has pigment on it, because I thought I have seen a lot of lip gloss and they don't have that kind of pigment like lipstick or liquid lipstick, so they don't have a lot of pigment. But
Solid summer night sky got me feeling high. Your love is like a remedy, your body feeling right. Missing lips I've never kissed, I just need a taste. Hooked on you.
ayan guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is the whole face using Daiso makeup. So I've been wanting to do this kind of video before, but like what I've said, I don't have that enough money to do this kind of video because it's expensive to buy a lot of makeup in one store. So I'm really excited to share it with all of you. I've done this makeup. I really loved it because I did everything just to finish this makeup, even though I don't have bronzer, even though I don't have foundation, which is I cheat with foundation. I admit it because I can't live without any full coverage foundation in my face. So I cheat. Okay, I cheat. I accept the punishment. Charot. So I really hope you loved it because I really loved it. The eyeshadow was a little bit pigmented because the other shade is not working so well. So this shade is not working so well. So this 3 shades gives those shine, and oh my gosh, this window is trying to kill my but I really love this 3 shade, which is just giving me the look that I wanted to do. So I really like this. So if you like this look, just comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you could visit my fashion blog www.myflametress.com. You can also follow me on social media, on my social media platform, Rose Banzon D on Twitter, Instagram Rose Banzon, Snapchat Rose Banzon. On Facebook you can search my name, Rose Banzon, and you can add me on Facebook, Mary Rose Banzon. So I really love this kind of look. It really gives me the look that I've wanted. If you're going out, of course you can wear this, and it's not that expensive because it also in Daiso, which is all the things was 88 pesos down to 100. So it's really not expensive at all. But yeah, I really hope you loved it. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!
You